Hi, everybody. So today was just the first day of class, so we kept things really simple. I walked through students the layout of my Canvas homepage to get to the live instruction that you missed. You just want to click on this link right here, and that's going to take you to the Google Meet, and that's where we're going to begin each period. Now, if you're absent and you're watching this video, hopefully you found that by clicking here and then clicking on the date that you're absent. All right. The other things I point out on my Canvas homepage was if you click on syllabus, you'll find that my grading policy is there. So make sure that you look over this grading policy. There's some important information to look over. All right. Also, if you click on modules, that's where you're going to find all of the course notes and course materials and assignments that is expected of you. The only thing that you'll see here under the intro category is a student information form. So it's not worth any points. And even though it says there's no due date, if you could get this done by Wednesday, that would be great, but it's a real simple form. Just tell me some basic information about yourself. Once you answer all the questions as best as you can, just make sure that you click the submit button down here at the bottom. All right. Other than that, we just spent some time kind of like introducing ourselves in the Google Meet. I just wanted to make sure that everybody was comfortable using the microphones and the cameras and stuff like that. But the first day, there's never a lot of content really covered, so it's not a bad day to miss if you're going to miss any days at school. So I'm looking forward to meeting you and working with you guys. I'll talk to you later.